Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete heavy applications on your MacBook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is you want to click on the Apple icon at the top left, click on About this Mac, click on More Info. It should show you this window. You want to scroll to the bottom until you find something called the storage settings. And in this storage, you will see several categories: application, documents, iCloud Drive. You want to click on the application. Click on the exclamation point here. And as you can see, Xcode currently have the highest, is the most heaviest application on my computer. If you want to delete it, you can click on this and then hit delete. Or if you want to delete multiple applications, you can click this and then click command this, and you can delete at the same time. But this is how you would delete the heavy application. Thank you.